Hello out there, how are we all doing? Hope everyone is all right and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for spending your time with me. So I am back with another cruelty-free beauty box and vegan, and you know what it is. It's the Pip Box, which is currently raining on me because something inside has broken, well, or is damaged. Well, I know what it is, the lid's come off. So yeah, if you see that, that's why. It's just kind of snowing. So I've just received this and I'm actually going to open this month's on time. So shall we find out what is inside? But before we carry on, you know what I'd love you to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell and share this video because everyone needs to find out about this month's vegan beauty, don't they? Alright, let's get into the video. Pip Box is a monthly box. It's £20 now and that includes P&P. It comes out towards the end of the month, but charges you at the beginning. And yeah, let's just open it up. Don't know what else there is to say. It's now completely vegan and cruelty free all of the time. And I have opened this up because, like I just said, it is shedding bath salts. Well, I guessed it was bath salts, and when I opened it, it is bath salts. But we will just go through it as if we didn't have any idea at all. There we are, that's this month's box. Looks quite full. Do you know, when I opened this before, because everything, like stuff was coming out, I thought, oh, I've got it all out now, it's all done. I didn't realise how much was still left in the box. But one thing I have to say is it smells amazing. So what does Pip Box say? Welcome to our Me Time Edit, a selection of beauty treats designed to help you pause, relax and take some time out. Enjoy. With love, the Pip Box team. And as always, 50p of this sale has been donated to the charity Animal Free Research UK. So let's find this, which is the Natural Beauty Pot Bath Salts, and it looks like this. If it's what I think it is, it's all this stuff that's at the bottom of the box. So all this, which is like rose petals and bath salts and stuff. So it looks like it would have been amazing and it smells so good. And there might be a bit in here that I can use. I have asked the Pip Box to send me a new one. So I'm hoping to get like a full jar. The postman must have been thinking, why is my van smelling so amazing today? See if I can tip it back in the bottle. To be fair, I've got about half the bottle there and what I've got on my skirt might even finish it off. Although I know there was a lot on my bed and a lot on the floor and a lot on me everywhere. I have not done this the smartest way at all. What I'm amazed about is how a screw lid came off inside the box. That's just crazy, isn't it? So this just says relax with body and mind, and you can get 15% off with the code PIP18. So Natural Beauty Pot began by a lady in Ireland, I think, because it says from County, I can't even pronounce it. I'm not going to say it, but I think Irish. She had sensitive skin, so she decided that to make her own makeup because she's a beauty therapist and her skin problems were made worse. Her pores were clogged and she has pale Celtic skin, so she made her own mineral makeup. And there's foundation shade, over 20 foundation shades for everyone. They do bath products, they do stuff for guys, they do brushes, makeup, candles, skincare, all kinds of stuff. So another new brand that I've been introduced to. Thank you very much. Okay, next up, what should we go for? Let's have this because it's on top and it's big. And it looks like this. Nuggets, raw cookie dough, little chocolate covered nuggets of heaven. From Livia's Kitchen, mixing it up naturally. Indulgence with a twist. Gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan-friendly, so delicious, natural. Made from date paste. Made in the UK. Okay. 127 calories, this tiny bag of goodness. You can get 20% off at liviaskitchen.co.uk with the code PIP20. But the proof is in the tasting. This is what they look like. You can taste that they are made of date. I wouldn't say it really tastes completely like cookie dough to me. I just don't think, personally, I can't find the consistency of like flour replacement products to be the same or close enough to be the same. But I kind of get it. I get the idea. It's not bad, it tastes okay. yeah, I'm sure I can feed these to my husband and he'll eat them. So that is good. Thank you, Livia's Kitchen. Might be interesting to see what else kind of things she does. I tried to tempt him with them, but actually he doesn't like them at all. But Livia has a cookbook, loads of natural products. She's got a blog, all kinds of things. So if you want to check her out, you can head to the website and get some money off if that's the kind of thing that you enjoy. Right, what have we got next? Let's go with this. This brand I know very well. Here we are, Dr. Botanicals. So this is their charcoal superfood mattifying face mask. Oh, I love those words. Charcoal face mask, love it. Mattifying, love it. I'm so lucky. Apothecary Natural Collection. And this, because I have the pomegranate one, means that this needs to be kept in the fridge in between uses. Because it only lasts for 3 months. So this isn't the kind of thing that you should forget about. In fact, I need to start using mine a bit more. The pomegranate one that I've got I really like. You can put it on, it's just one of those overnight ones. So instead of nighttime moisturiser, put that on your face instead. Get a good drenching of moisture into your face. Make sure you use it up so it doesn't go off. The Apothecary range brings together science and superfoods to create innovative, natural, ecological and vegan-friendly skincare treatments. Our products are truly natural and free from harmful chemicals such as synthetic perfumes, colourants and parabens. Experience what pure natural skincare can do for you. This mask works to gently cleanse and exfoliate skin, aiming to mattify as well. So after cleansing, toning, exfoliating, put this on, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and use 2 to 3 times a week. I think this looks like a full-size product, bearing in mind, oh no, maybe not a full-size product, but like a travel size one. Comparing it to my other one, 30ml, I love this packaging. I do like this range that they're doing, so I'm really happy to have this. Right, this is what they call discovery size. So you can get a smaller one and test it out, and then if you like it, go back for the bigger, more expensive pot. That's why. And actually, this says it's £12 currently on the website, not the $14.90 that's on here. So maybe you're in for a little bargain at the moment. And Dr. Botanicals often send me emails saying, buy this, get 20% off if you do this now. So if you sign up to their website, you might get a deal if that's what you're into. Okay, what else have we got? Let's pick up this actually. Another Vegan Life magazine digital download. So it's looking like we're going to get one of these every month. Just pop this up here. You can read all about it and you can get a discount. And it says next month's theme is the Midnight Edit. Date night party. We've got you covered with beauty treats designed to make you look and feel extra special. So that's something to look forward to in our Pip Box. Yeah. So if somebody wants to have this magazine, because I didn't do it last month, I probably will forget to do it this month, so if you're into it, please use the code and enjoy. Nearly threw this everywhere. The lid almost came off. I don't know what's happening with me in this box and lids. So this is from Honey Pie Minerals. Never heard of this before. And it's a blusher, Pink Rose Blush. Ooh. Let's open it up. So it comes like this, with a tray with the plastic bit. It's impossible to get off, but very helpful. Just managed to splash myself with blusher. Okay. So you can sort of see the colour from there. Just looks like that. I'd like to put quite a bit on maybe for me. It's quite sort of a paler pink one. To give just a nice hint of colour. Like, I think on me I might have to put on a bit extra, but you know, my face gets red enough around here sometimes just to leave it alone. Just going to seal it back up now. I've spent all that time unsealing it. And it also comes with this card which says discover your natural beauty, learn about our award-winning makeup range. Green Parent Natural Beauty Awards 2018 Gold Award winner. Honey Pie Minerals is driven by the goal to help you feel naturally beautiful and confident. We create a range of high-performance mineral makeup products that contain only the finest ingredients. Whether it's our foundation, blusher, corrector, highlighter, bronzer or eyeshadow, we want to inspire you to be creative and discover your flawless natural beauty. Our products will always be pure, simple and honest, 100% cruelty-free, vegan and natural. There you go. And it's got some more of their range on the back there. So that sounds very nice, doesn't it? And you can get 15% off with the code PIP15 if you want to buy any of their products, and that is full size product. Thank you. Right, what else we got? This. Oh, I think I know what this is and I'm excited. The writing looks a bit blurry, but it's by Hair Benefits Organic Eyelash and Eyebrow Enhancing Oil for all hair types, unscented, handmade in England. Fancy, eh? Containing organic castor oil, this effective enhancing treatment can nourish, revitalise and revive eyebrows and lashes and may help with their growth. Apply a thin layer to clean brows and lashes. So this is just a thing you do at night time. After you've done, you know, the rest of your stuff, you put your eye cream on or whatever, you just paint a bit on your brushes and a bit on your lashes, and it should help to nourish them and maybe make them grow. I actually bought something similar to this on a plane a few years ago, and this will be my third bottle of this kind of thing. But let's see if this works any better than the rest of them. You can get 20% off at hairbenefits.co.uk using the code PIP20. I love that the Pip Box always give you plenty of codes to go with their products. That is very generous. I like it. So they do organic care for problem hair, all kind of hair, I guess. Yeah, eyelash, eyebrow, sensitive hair, organic, vegan, unisex, cruelty-free, handmade in the UK. You can get all kinds of different products. Conditioners, shampoos, hair and scalp treatments. So it sounds like there's plenty there to go and dip your toe in the water if you want to use that code. This makes me so happy, so happy. When I first got one of these, I just thought, I don't really get it. I don't know if I like it that much. But when I first used one, I was in bliss. I was so in heaven. This space mask, love it. It's a heated eye mask, and you just pop it on your eyes, like it's got a band and everything, and it will start to heat up because it reacts with the air or something, and it's so comforting all around the eye socket. I like to actually literally push my hands onto it to make it sit better on my eyes, but this is so good. It says this little pouch contains a self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension. Pretty much does, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready for liftoff. And honestly, if you are feeling tired or you've got a headache or you're feeling crappy, or even if you're feeling fine, you just want to treat yourself, this is the way forward. I love these things. So I'm really happy to see this. And when will I use it? I might take it with me tomorrow actually, because it's going to be a bit of a long day. And it might be nice to have that before coming home. Love it. We're actually on the last item already. I feel like I've gone super quick. You're probably thinking, nah, she's been babbling on for ages. But last item, and it's this. So what is it? Q-Derm. Q-Derm cream with colloidal oatmeal. See, oatmeal's in everything lately. Check out my other video that I just posted and you'll see what I'm talking about. Moisturising cream for dry and sensitive skin, alcohol-free all-day effect. And it's not really meant to have those dots on, that's just from the bath salts, by the way. So this is brand new to the market, apparently. Daily moisturisation and gentle exfoliation with Q-Derm cream's alcohol-free formulation for fabulous face and body hydration. And you can get 20% off with the code PIP20 at qderm.co.uk if you'd like to try it. So what do they mean? Just feels like a moisturiser. Don't that means exfoliation? Q-Derm products are formulated with colloidal oatmeal and ingredients that help to soothe and hydrate dry and sensitive skin and maintain the natural pH balance of skin. Oat proteins establish a natural barrier to support, protect and promote healthy skin and relieve skin irritation. Suitable for those who are prone to eczema. Okay, feels just like a delicious cream. So that's great. And I do really think these things with oatmeal in do really help sensitive skin or problem skin. Like my husband's got this dry patch on his elbow, and whenever we use something with oatmeal in, like Aveeno we've used, the Exo Balm we tried the other day, that was really good and he's been enjoying using that. And that's beeswax, not this, but anything with oatmeal in that he's tried on that patch of skin has really helped. It hasn't gone away for life, but as long as he remembers to use it for the next few days, it will be really good. So I would say that it's worth giving a try if you are struggling with your skin. And that is the end of our box, and it's a pretty good box, isn't it? Although this counts as like a bonus extra, it all adds up, and 7 products is pretty nice. This month's box total is £42.64, so we've smashed the double the box cost test, which is great, and that doesn't include the £3.99 for the vegan magazine. I could take off £2.90 because on the Dr. Botanicals website I did find that product cheaper, but I'm going to let them have it because I haven't included the magazine. So either way, we're over the total and I'm very happy. I like all the products. I can't wait to get using them. Yeah, nothing that I don't want. Maybe the blusher might not quite work for me. Well, I'll have to have a proper test when I've got some foundation on, because it's not really going to show up with my natural beautiful redness that I get. But yeah, it will definitely work for someone, and it's nice to have another new brand to try. I'm amazed at how many beauty brands there are out there in the world, just doing stuff, creating stuff all the time to find new things. It's just insane to me that there are always more products, always more brands to try. But good work. Glad people are doing it. So what did you think of this month's box? Did you think it fit the me time brief? Are you looking forward to the midnight edit? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.